Hello and welcome to Win Agriculture Machines, the channel where we show you the most amazing and innovative machines that are transforming the world of agriculture. John Deere 8400T is a type of tractor that can be applied to garlic harvesting. The machine can move firmly and flexibly on rugged terrains like hills, clay, and rocky soil. The front and rear suspension system helps reduce shock and vibration when driving on rough terrain. Moreover, John Deere 8400T also has good towing head rotation, making it easy for the operator to move on narrow terrain and in tight spaces. Look at that grass cutter, and you will see an impressive device called Claas Zarian 3300. This machine has 3 separate grass cutting arms, allowing for simultaneously controlling grass cutting in many different positions. The powerful engine of the device, along with sturdy and sharp cutting blades, helps efficiently complete the grass cutting work. This machine is helpful in beautifying parks, stadiums, or other public areas. Next is the fertilizer spreader on the grass field, which has a wide spreading width of up to 6 meters and contains multiple nozzles arranged along the machine. In addition, it uses flexible hoses to load materials. Combining these features ensures that the fertilizer is spread evenly over the area, reducing the time required for loading materials. The Grimm GL 840 plow is designed to help ease the planting of potato seeds into furrows efficiently. With the ability to plant up to 8 rows at once, the machine operates with 3 main mechanisms: furrow creation, seed placement, and soil covering. By combining these mechanisms, the engine ensures that the density and depth of the potatoes are even and beautiful. This machine can quickly fill thousands of hectares of potato fields. John Deere 6030 is an agricultural tractor produced by John Deere. It was introduced in 1972 and was one of the giant and powerful tractors. Equipped with a 7.6-liter 6-cylinder diesel engine and advanced technologies, such as a turbocharger and a water cooling system, it enhances operational performance. It reduces fuel consumption, making moving and towing heavy equipment like large plows easy. These are some of the futuristic agriculture machines that are next level. We hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new about these amazing machines. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. Thank you for watching Agriculture Machines.